What's up, you guys? I hope you're having a good one and welcome back to the channel. So I have been working as a software developer and a programmer for over 8 years now, and I would have not worked as long if I didn't like it. And in this video I want to share some of the things that I really like about being a software developer. But before we get started, let me just do one thing. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I really love about being a software developer is the flexibility. And what I mean by this is that I pretty much only need my laptop and internet connection in order to do my work. So I can pretty much work from home, or I can go to the office or work from a coffee shop, for example. It really doesn't matter as long as I have my laptop and an internet connection. And this also makes it possible that I can actually travel while I'm working. And just a couple of months ago, we actually traveled to another city here in Finland for a week, and I was able to work from there because I had my laptop with me and an internet connection. Next thing I really love about being a software developer is that programming is actually pretty creative work. So the stereotype usually is that programmers just sit in a dark room, type some ones and zeros to a black screen and, for example, do math all day. But this actually couldn't be further from the truth, because when programming we are actually doing a lot of problem solving, and we get a problem and then we have to come up with a solution to that problem and then build it. So it's pretty much creating things out of thin air, and that way programmers get to be pretty creative when solving problems. And the ability to actually create something out of thin air that is helpful for someone and something that makes other people's life easier and better is one thing that really motivates me. Okay, so the next thing is actually at the same time a good thing but a bad thing also. And that is that you are never finished or ready. So you never really know it all, because tech is changing so fast. New languages, new frameworks are popping up frequently, and that's why you have to really keep studying, keep developing yourself if you wanna stay up to date. So this is a good thing in a way that you actually get to develop yourself, and it keeps up the interest when there are new things coming up and you get to study them. But then on the other hand, it can also be a bad thing, because it can be overwhelming to know that there is always something more you could study, and you could start feeling the effects of the imposter syndrome because of that. So the last one today on my list for reasons why I love being a software developer is job security. So right now there is a huge demand for software developers, and companies are fighting over skilled developers. So if you are right now thinking of becoming a software developer, I really warmly recommend that, because I don't see that software developer jobs are going out of demand anytime soon. And if you're right now looking for a job as a software developer, chances are you have a lot of options to go for. Of course, you have to be a good developer and know your stuff in order to have a lot of options. Okay, so those were some of the things that I really love about being a software developer. And I would love to hear from you, so let me know in the comments what are some of the things that you like about being a software developer. But that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.